Image optimization tools and techniques. This video blends tool mastery, step-by-step execution to ensure you actually optimize and not just upload the images. So, you build a beautiful landing page. The copy is clear, the funnel is set, and you hit publish. And then it happens. Your page takes 6 seconds to load on mobile. Your background images looks pixelated. Your buttons jump. Your bounce rate skyrockets. Google flags you to poor core web vitals. And worse, the client emails you saying the page is not loading properly. Why? Because of image issues. Images that are too big or too low resolution or the wrong format or uploaded without compression. It is the silent killer of otherwise amazing funnels. But here is the good news. Now, once you understand the right tools and techniques to optimize your images, you can 2x your page speed, improve mobile experience, boost SEO scores, and give your funnel that polished professional feel. And today, I'll show you exactly how to prepare, compress, format, and upload images that look stunning without slowing your site down. You, by the end, will walk away with a toolkit of free and paid resources and a practical step-by-step process that makes your landing pages load like lightning and look like they were built by an agency, which they are. Let's make your images work for you and not against you. So we'll get hands-on. We are going to cover every stage from image selection to upload. Starting with step 1, choosing the right image for the right spot. Every image should have a role. Ask yourself, the hero image. It should be lightweight but high on quality. Maybe a person, a product, or the environment. Next is the section background. Use textures or gradients. Don't use detailed photos. Icons or illustrations, go for SVG or PNG. Logos, always transparent PNG or SVG. The rule of thumb here is never use the same resolution image everywhere. Tailor per use. Now, this is the biggest mistake even the big agencies do, which you won't be doing after this video. So you start with resizing before uploading. Do not upload a 4000 by 3000 pixel image and expect GoHighLevel to fix it. You can use a tool like Canva, Photoshop, Figma, or even free online tools like I Love Image or Tiny JPG, Tiny PNG, and so on. You start with resizing your image to a maximum width of 1920 pixel for full width background, 1200 pixels for hero images, and 500 to 800 pixels for content images. Let's look at a quick example of how and what I am trying to say. I go to a page. So let's say we download some free images, stock images from a site called Pixels. Okay, I want an image for the hero section. I'm writing the wrong message actually. Let's write something else. I do not need a hero section image. I need a ski resort. Let's have a look at this. So these are a few images that we see. I'll accept the cookies for now. Okay, so these are the images which are all mobile first images. We might not need this. I'll go to explore, not this, photos and videos. Okay, so ski resort, hero section. Once again, these are all mobile first images which will not be relevant in our scheme of things. Okay, so let's say this one, or maybe this one. Okay, so let's say you want to use this image in your website. Now, the Problem here is, while this looks perfect, very good, awesome, the problem I'll show you here is, number one, if you have a look at this one, give me a minute. So if you have a look at this image and you look at the size, this is a 1.3 MB image, which is absolutely not a good size to upload on your website. Now, the next thing that you can do here is to optimize. The quickest way to do is, or the first thing that you would be doing is, you click on the image. I'm not sure if you are doing it on a Windows machine, this would work, but yeah, I will go to tools. I'll click on adjust size. Now this is a 6064 pixel wide image, which is huge. You do not need such a wide image. So I would do is 1900 pixels. That's a full width screen size. Now, do you see, this was a 1.3 MB image reduced to 536 KB without doing anything at all. I just reduced the size to fit in my website. Now that's, though it looks small, it's actually big. The quality is not lost, it's exactly the same quality, but of 1/3 the size what it was previously. You can make it further, even shorter, for hero images, which is about 1200 pixels. So it automatically adjusts the height as well and save it. Now this is the first step that you do. Now the next thing is you use websites like I'll show that to you. So let's say now I go to a website called Tiny JPG. That's the website. I go to this website and I drag and drop the image, which right now is a 271 KB image. I'll upload it. It's currently 271 KB, reduced to 147 KB. Now, if you look at the image, this might look a bit of a lower quality, but it does our job. It does the job and you can absolutely use it. So this is the next step. So you can use tools like Tiny JPG or Tiny PNG, Image Optim, or you can also choose to use WebP format, ultra compressed images that load even faster. But I would suggest not to upload a WebP image format, rather leave it on GoHighLevel, because not all browsers render WebP images the same way. So let GHL do that. GHL would render WebP where it's fit to render in WebP, and otherwise it would render the GPG or PNG format that you gave. So make sure that you are reducing the size. Now if you are using the same image, not in the hero section, not in the website, but elsewhere, like let's say you are using it on the left side of the website or the right side of the website, which need not even be 1200 pixels, so this could be 500 pixels. Now you reduced it further. Now by doing this, the size reduced from, I think, 271 KB to 63 KB. That's a huge difference. So let's continue. Okay, step 3, done with the compression. Now use descriptive file names for SEO. This is really important. Most of us forget to do this, do not do this, or whatever the reason is. Now once you have this image, the default name of the image is Pixels, Jean, Paul, etc. Make sure that you are renaming this to whatever. So if it is for the, let's say, the homepage section of whatever website it is, homepage _ ski resort website or whatever. So make it relevant to your website. Now this is important for SEO. So before uploading, rename your file to something clear and relevant. So like fitness coach workout ebook cover.jpg. Now this helps with SEO and organization both, especially when clients are managing multiple funnels. Next, you upload into GHL media library. How do you do that? I'll come back to this. Now this is my GHL, And here is the media storage. I would go in, I'll create multiple folders depending on the sections or the website or the funnel that I am creating, and upload the image to that particular folder. So I'll create a folder maybe, or once I create the folder, I will do upload and click on the image I just optimized and click on upload. Now once it's uploaded, this is the image, that is a 61 KB image. I can just use this link and use it inside GoHighLevel where I want to use. Now that's how you upload it. Then you make sure that you set alt text for accessibility and SEO. So after uploading, you can enter the alt text. How do you do that? Let's see. Do we get an option to upload? Okay, so I don't get the option to upload the alt text over here. You will actually be able to do it when you insert it inside the respective funnel. Awesome. And make sure that you're using the keywords naturally. Something like quote standing with arms crossed in gym, or screenshot of a GHL automation funnel. Now this helps with screen readers, Google indexing, and even image search. So it's important. Next is mobile optimization. So that brings us to, now you can preview your funnel in mobile view. Are the images cropped weirdly? Are they pushing content too far down? Do they look pixelated or stressed? If yes, replace with a smaller version for mobile using conditional visibility. Reduce height and padding in mobile view. Make sure images are center aligned for responsiveness. So I could have gone in one of the funnels. Let us have a look at this one. We built, okay, this one. So if you look at this funnel, and if we notice that the image is not rendering perfectly in a mobile view, what we can do is, you have an option of changing the settings where you only display that image in the desktop and you show a different image for mobile view. I hope you have seen that. Well, I would want to show that to you. Let's see. So you see the alt text option is right here. Image actions, nothing. Image appearance, right here. So do you see this? This is only activated for desktop view but not for the mobile view. So, and I am sure there must be something else for the mobile view. So if I click on the mobile mode, okay, so this is a different image of different dimension, and this is only available on the mobile view and not on the desktop view. So that's exactly how you can do too, so that you get that right. Okay, so that's for the mobile optimization. It's really important because most of your visitors are going to come from mobile, so your mobile optimization is really important. Lazy load and minimizing animation. So if you have multiple large images, don't load all of them at once. Use lazy load option in GHL where available, or just avoid overloading the page with visuals. Also avoid animations on background images. It adds weight and delays interaction. That's all for images, and it's huge. So let's wrap it up. Your landing page might have the best copy in the world, but if your images are bloated, slow or sloppy, people will bounce before they ever read it. Optimized images is equal to faster load, more trust, better conversions, and a cleaner experience, especially on mobile, where most of the traffic comes from. So here is your mission. Pick any one funnel you have built or are working on. Go through every image, resize it, compress it, rename it. Replace it inside GHL and preview the page on desktop plus mobile. Check your page load time using GT metrics or page speed insights. Watch the performance boost and the compliments from clients. You are now not just a funnel builder, you are a performance designer. So I'll see you there.